Hey guys, just checking in to see I'm live now. It looks like Brian and maybe is that Billy are in the chat room. Can you guys confirm that you hear me and see me? Billy, if that's you saying blank screen, you should see the 3 boxes sitting there. Brian, do you see the 3 boxes? Uno, dos, tres. Okay, good. Alright, good. Then we're not going to wait around. We're just going to go ahead and go. Alright, everybody can join in later. I know Matt's going to join in probably pretty late. And we've got a little surprise for everybody in the break. Let me check my Facebook messages real quick here before we move on. I can't view it. Sorry, I was breaking a box. Blah, blah, blah. Let me just post a message here in the group. Let's see. Try again. These are to the people that are going to join us late. I sound like I'm in fast forward. So that means if I start talking real quick, it'll be even quicker? Can you hear me? Alright, well, I don't know what to say about the sound, but we're going to move on. So, there you go. Alright. Anyway, here we go. We've got 3 boxes here. Billy, did you break any of this already? I broke 1 box, and it was pretty good. I enjoyed it. What'd you think of your box, Billy? Yeah, I think they look nice too, although I will say that Topps has a real bad habit of reusing some of their photos, and they've definitely done that here. It's a little frustrating, but anyway. So each box of the new 2015 Gypsy Queen has the 2 autographs and 2 relics per box. There's also a mini box that will contain 10 cards. Yes, I did not look through for the photo variations of the box that I opened earlier. I'll have to go back and do that later, so no big deal. Alright, so here we go. We're going to open it up. As you can see, we've got a mini box in the middle right here. And then we've got all of our packs. I'm going to try to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I must have miscounted because there's surely not 25 in the box. Anyway, yeah, I did see one that I didn't have an insert, so I'm hoping that I got one, but who knows? We'll have to see later. Let's see. Maybe I should pull this out a little to give us a little more room. Is that better? Alright, so we're going to move that here. Move all the packs there. Actually, we're going to move the packs to the side a little bit. That way it gives me some room to open here. I do not have enough room here. Hang on while I get situated. Here, let me just stack this box on top of that one. Push these to the back. There. Alright, so we'll save our mini pack till the end. We've got, let me see if I can. There we go. Alright, pack number 1, 3-box break, Gypsy Queen 2015. Here we go. Alright, this is what the base card looks like. There's Cosmer for the Royals. Giants, Padres, Red Sox, Reds. Alright, here's our first mini, which is for the Indians. It is not numbered. Here's our first insert, which is Jose Altuve for the Houston Astros. It is called the Queen's Throwbacks. They're basically black and white cards. Crash Davis, Orioles, Zimmerman, Nationals, Homer Bailey, Reds. Pack number 2. Okay, we got Jose Reyes, Peralta Orioles, Peralta Brewers, Ramirez Brewers. Here is the rookie Peterson for the Dodgers. I think he's their center fielder. I saw him play in LA a week ago. That's a nice little mini card. Here is a Paul Konerko card. This must be some kind of short print. It's not numbered, but it must be a short print because it was upside down. I wouldn't assume he would be in the base set. Pirates, Goose Gossage for the Yankees, and Adam Wainwright for the Cardinals. Alright, Houston Street, Marlins, Simmons for the Braves, Brewers, Rod Carew, Rios for the Orioles as a mini. The Royals as a mini. And here is an insert. Derek Jeter walk-off winners for the New York Yankees. That's a pretty cool card. That'll go to John Quinn, who has the Yankees. We have the Indians. We have Jofer for the Marlins and Craig Biggio for the Astros. Looks like a base card. Guys, I'm gonna sit tight for a second. I've got a couple people on the Facebook page that are trying to log in and watch, so give me a minute. Let's see if I can try this again. Let's see. Okay, guys, I'm back. Tried to give a couple more links to the video. I think a few people are having some trouble with it. Not sure why. We are 3 packs into the break. I think we've had a short print pulled, a Jeter insert so far, and an Altuve insert. So we're gonna move on. If anybody needs anything, they can continue to chat. Alright, we've got Baez for the Cubs, Matt Moore for the Rays, another Rays, Joe DiMaggio for the Yankees. Let's see, we've got Ozuna for the Marlins. It's a mini, not numbered. Here's our first hit. Adam Wainwright for the Cardinals. This is a game used memorabilia jersey card. It is not numbered. I will sleeve that up. Victor Martinez, Prince Felder for the Rangers, and Murphy for the Mets. Let me go ahead and grab a sleeve here. This is one of those thick sleeves to protect it. So 4 packs in, and we got our first hit. Pack number 5. Carpenter for the Cardinals. A Ty Cobb card for the Athletics? Philadelphia Athletics, I gotcha. Let's see, we got Harrison for the Pirates, Prado for the Marlins, Gomez for the Brewers. Here's a David Price for the Tigers, a mini, not numbered. Here's one of those upside down Catfish Hunter cards. I think any card numbered in the 300s is a short print to the base set. Now, when I opened a box earlier, they weren't upside down, but these are upside down, so maybe we'll be able to notice that way. Rockies, Dobie for the Indians. I think he's a Hall of Famer, and Yankees pitcher. Let's see. Guys, if you want to jump in on the Facebook page at the same time you're watching, Scott's having a hard time watching. I think Peter's having a hard time watching. If you can help, I mean, I've posted the link. I'm not sure what else to do. We've got Ventura for the Royals. Here's our first Bryce Harper base. Tom Glavine for the Braves. Herron for the Marlins. Ted Williams for the Red Sox. Let's see. We've got a couple interesting cards here. First of all, we have a Yankees mini for Roger Maris. It is not numbered. And here is a Jose Reyes parallel. They call it a framed, paper framed, I believe. It is numbered 443 of 449. So that's pretty cool. Set that to the side. Here's a Simmons Queens throwback insert. It's pretty cool. And let's see, Beltray Rangers, Waka Cardinals. Yes, we all used to watch the Squiggle Vision when we were a kid. Some was more productive than others. We won't talk about the ones that I watched. Okay, we've got Lester for the Cubs, Astros, J.J. Hardy Orioles, Reds, Twins. See if I can move my hands down there. Alright, so we got Beltray, a mini not numbered for the Rangers. Griffey Jr. with a walk-off winners insert. And let's see, we've got Salazar for the Indians and Giants pitcher. Alright, we've got Gallardo for the Brewers. Kennedy for the Padres. Castellanos for the Tigers. Indians. Elvis Andrus for the Rangers. Alright, here's our first numbered mini parallel. It's Ventura for the Royals. This card is numbered 46 of 199. I believe these are the silver minis. Should probably get 2 of those this box. Here's a Gypsy Queen Glove Stories card of Billy Hamilton, I believe. Yep, Billy Hamilton. It is not numbered. Here, let's move the numbered card there. We've got Robertson for the White Sox. He's their closer. I think he started off pretty decent this year. Jennings for the Rays. Finnegan rookie card for the Royals. You guys give me just a second here. I'm going to check a couple things out. Good night, guys.
Love ya.
Yep, love you too.
Aren't you on that?
Yes, I am on that, but I can tell you guys good night. Alright, wake you guys up in the morning. Actually, I won't be here. I have to work in the morning.
Okay.
Good night. Alright, now that I've told my kids good night, we have Freddie Freeman for the Braves. Nice Lou Gehrig card. Perez for the Royals. Ryan Howard for the Phillies. Minor for the Braves. And here we go. Let's see. We've got a Corbin mini for the Diamondbacks. It is not numbered. Here's a George Brett for the Royals. It is not numbered, but it's in the 300s. So, must mean it's a short print. Which I think those fall about 1 every 4, I think I saw. Ken Griffey Jr. base for the Mariners. Athletics pitcher. And Gardner for the Yankees. I see a lot of messages on Facebook, so let me glance at them. Yeah, a couple people still having problems, but I'm not sure what to tell them. Maybe I can try to